Hi, this is Mrs. M. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you can receive the latest in videos with the industry in cleaning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I am going to talk about what do you do if you have a customer that you know is interested in your services, but every time you contact them, they give you the runaround. So basically, this was a question we received. There is a client that we dropped off a proposal to. They said they wanted us to start. We contacted them on the day they said they wanted us to get started, and they said that they needed to push it back a week. It's been a month and a half, and we have not gotten any word to move further on what is our next step. So first, I want to let you know, don't take it personally. A lot of times in the cleaning industry, a sense of urgency is not something that we have the luxury of having. So it is kind of up to you to try to create a sense of urgency when it comes to the prospect that you are trying to start working with. So I'm assuming with this question that was submitted that the cleaning company, let's say ABC Cleaning, has not actually signed a contract, but perhaps they've already agreed on what the price is going to be. They've agreed on the scope of work. They sent the proposal, and they actually accepted the proposal, and the next step was going to be the contract. So if you have not signed a contract, how do you create a sense of urgency to actually find out if they're giving you the runaround or if they're really interested in you actually doing the janitorial services? So the first thing I would do is to contact the person that let me know they wanted to accept the proposal. Some type of way, either from setting up an appointment to go over the items that you need to discuss in person, but follow up as much as possible with an face-to-face appointment. Now, the reason why that's so important, because a lot of times when people get busy and they don't see you in front of them, they can push you off. But if they're really interested, you can let them know that you have to close this quote. The prices are going up. This is a special that you're offering. You want to create some type of urgency so they understand that they cannot continue to push back the date. If this doesn't work, then you're going to have to say, we need to start within X amount of time. You can give them another 15 days. You can give them another 30 days. I would not go any further than 30 days than the date they originally was supposed to start. So if they were supposed to start in December and now it's January, I would give them no longer than February the 1st. If they're truly interested, they will understand, because they're in business as well, that you must allocate your resources and your time. You've already allocated your resources and your time, and you must, kind of have the workers and the equipment and the supplies that you've allocated ready to get started, so you can start recouping the money for the training and all that you needed to do to prep for this particular account. Once you've asked for an face-to-face appointment so that you could go over all the terms and conditions, and you're still not able to do that, and then you've given them your deadline, I would then only start sending them monthly reminders, friendly monthly reminders that you would love to do their business, but I would not contact them anymore. Now, it is true that sometimes you have to follow up 8 to 12 times before you get a response, but that's normally not when you've gotten that far into the scope of work, the proposal's been accepted, and the only thing left to do is to sign the contract. So if that's the case, I would see if I could contact the point of contact. I would look to do a face-to-face. I would try to set up an appointment. I would go ahead and say, I'll meet you tomorrow, give them a deadline. And you're going to have to be a little bit assertive on this one to kind of flesh out if they're really interested or if they're just wasting your time. So hopefully this tip was helpful. You always want to remain respectful because you do not understand or know what could be the cause of the delay. It could not be you. It could be so many other items that they're dealing with, their issues that they're dealing with. So whatever you do not take it personally. Do not be disrespectful, and respect their time frame. Just go ahead and be a little bit more firm with trying to firm up the date that you're interested in getting started, since they had already let you know that they were very interested in your ABC Cleaning Company. Then I would, like I said, follow up once a month, just as a friendly reminder, letting them know that you're interested, put them on your newsletter, friendly reminder, send them some cleaning tips, and that's what I would do. And I would put them on my 2 to 3 month reminder where I actually call in maybe 90 days after following up every 30 days with the newsletter. I would not follow up every 30 days with a phone call. I would follow up with something written. And then once every 90 days, I would reach out to them until hopefully they go ahead and close the deal. So, like I said, I hope this was informative, and I love you to let me know. I would love for you to let me know if this was helpful. Please reach out and give us a call, and you may reach us at 407-595-1598. And if you have any comments, please make sure that you write your comments in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And have a fantastic day. And until next time, we'll see you soon.